Yes, children, this is the chapter 5, and here we will discuss about the plant reproduction, how the animal reproduce their young ones. So same way the plants also reproduce their young ones. Means otherwise the full earth will empty if they don't reproduce. So this is very important process, and how it happens, about that only we will discuss in this chapter. So let's see in the next page here. This plants reproduction, it need two process. One is sexual reproduction and another asexual, that is called vegetative reproduction. Okay, so first we will discuss about the sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction takes 3 steps is there: pollination, fertilization, and then fruit development. And so here it is very nice way, here one diagram given. In this diagram we can see all the parts: pollen grains, stigma, style, pollen tube, 2 male nuclei, ovary, egg nuclei. So in these are the parts in which fertilization take place, and then after fertilization it develops into fruit, and fruit develops the seeds, and then these seeds again it will develop in a plant. So there this is one cyclic way. This here the this life cycle of a plant, it is given, you can see in this page. So same thing happening in the earth. Otherwise, if suppose one plant will develop, then next that same plant will not develop. So that plant will be the last plant of this in this earth. So that's why this is very important, that fertilization it should take place. And many of the plants without fertilization also, we will discuss later on about this. So first thing, dispersal of seeds. And now when the seed develop, now these seeds, how it will go from one place to another? There are 4 ways. That can be through air, through water, through explosion, and through animals. So one by one I will tell you. First one, through wind or air. So you can see the cotton, no, dandelion. In the summer season we can see some kind of one kind of cotton type item is flew over our surrounding. So that is actually one seed. So that seed dispersed because it is very light in weight. So through the air it can be go from one place to another. So same way many other also are there. Maple, that also you can see it flies from the one parent plant to some other place, and it can develop in a one new plant. Where it will go? So there it will stay, and then here, you know, one seed can be germinate. 3 things are very needed: air, water, and warmth. These 3 things, when they will get it, then only one seed can be develop in a plant. Otherwise, no. So okay, so this is the wind. By the wind it is spreading. Then coming to the water, you know the coconut plant. Coconut plants are mostly in nearby the riverside or sea areas, no? So or pond areas. So what happen, you know, this when this develop and ripe, so it is falling down in the water, and from the water it flow from one place to another place, and then it develops in one new plant. So by through water that is happening. And then coming to the next, by through animals. You know the animals, big animals which are going out in the jungle or somewhere. So there also some, you can see their legs or in their body they are having the hairs, you know. So in that hair some of the plants, their seeds are stuck in their body, and then when they come around from their jungle to moving here and there, so that drop from their body and it develops in that particular place, and then it develops in a new plant. So that is the one more way of dispersal of seed. Then coming to the explosion. Explosion means bursting out. Burst. You know, these crackers are in the Diwali time, crackers are bursting. So same way this seeds are also bursting, and then it comes out the seeds and it is falling down in the ground, and then they are getting these 3 items: air, water and warmth, and then they develops in a new plants. Okay, so this is one part. Next part I am giving you in the next video. Okay children, so this much.